So a loophole in driving laws has been exploited by millions of people using it every single day. But that loophole has now reportedly been closed. What loophole am I referring to? Let's have a look, guys. Because if you've been using this, you might want to think twice about using this in the future. So the state of California over in the US has changed its rules about what you are and aren't allowed to do with a mobile phone while on the road, which is of course a very controversial topic around the world. Motorists have questioned whether they can use navigation applications such as Google Maps while behind the wheel if only used for navigational purposes. However, the Golden State has clarified now what you can and can't do behind the wheel when it comes to Maps apps. And unfortunately, even if you're using Google Maps, whatever you're using your mobile phone for, you can't use it behind the wheel. It's now illegal. It was a bit of a loophole before over in California, but now that loophole has well and truly been closed. And of course, the usuals. You can't text, you can't message, you can't call anybody. You can't really touch your phone, to be honest with you, unless in an absolute emergency while you are driving along the road in California, something that is mirrored in most other states in the US and most other countries, to be honest, as well. And this also applies when the vehicle is stationary as well, such as at a stop sign, and also while you are by the side of the road as well. So like I said, technically this was legal under California regulations. It was a loophole. However, earlier this year, the California Courts of Appeal has ruled that it is illegal to hold a phone to look at a navigation map. California said that this ruling was, quote, allowing a driver to hold a phone and view a mapping application before, even if not touching the phone's screen, which would be contrary to the legislator's intent. The ruling further added that many drivers believed they were still allowed to hold their phone as long as they weren't actively texting or talking. But that loophole is now well and truly closed. And yes, of course, this is a ticketable offence by the police. If they spot you doing it, you're going to be in trouble. It carries a base fine of $20 for the first offence, and then it increases up to $50 for any further offences. So guys, what do you think about this? Is this a fair regulation? Is this being too tough? To be honest, these days, I don't know why people still use their phones behind the wheel. A lot of vehicles, of course, these days have those central screens. You can connect your phone to them, whether it's via Bluetooth or via a physical wire. So I don't know why people are still texting and stuff behind the wheel. It's just plain dangerous and it can lead to an accident. It's not only dangerous for you, but other road users as well, and potentially pedestrians on top of that as well. So for me, it's an absolute no-brainer. But get your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you have to say about this one. Like, share, comment, subscribe. As always, guys, have a fantastic day wherever in the world today, and we'll see you very soon.